Hi, the topic from this assignment is personal carbon footprint. Our personal carbon footprint is the amount of all emissions of dioxide which were induced by our activities in a given time frame. It's usually measured as tons of CO2 emitted per year. So our activities produce carbon dioxide. And I'm going to take as an example the ones Miss Silvia Correa, she's the teacher I interviewed, told me. She told me that driving her car, cooling her house, and the food she eats are the three actions, her daily actions, that produce the most carbon dioxide emissions. And she's right. Those activities are mentioned in the article from the World Health Organization called Protecting Health from Climate Change. So, in the article about driving, the article states that we should try to avoid short car journeys because fuel consumption and CO2 emissions are disproportionately higher when the engine is cold. So about energy use, the article specifies that air conditioners are real energy wasters, causing around 650 grams of carbon dioxide per hour. So as an alternative, we can use fans. And about food, the article mentions that reducing total global consumption of meat and dairy products can lead to reduced CO2 and methane emissions produced by animals. That's why we should try to eat more locally grown seasonal food because its production uses less energy. So let's see the other side. Our actions produce carbon dioxide, but we can also help to reduce this production. So Miss Sylvia also told me that she helps to reduce her personal carbon footprint by reducing, reusing, and recycling. And these three actions are very important for our planet because according to the article, waste not only discharges CO2 and methane into the atmosphere, it can also pollute air, groundwater, and soil. So I've been speaking about carbon dioxide or CO2, which is a greenhouse gas that causes 9 to 26% of the greenhouse effect on Earth, causing global warming. But it isn't the only one. There are other greenhouse gases such as water vapor, methane, and ozone. And like I've just said, the significant impact of these gases on our planet is global warming, which in turn has two major effects: increased temperatures on Earth and rise sea levels. So global warming is the main reason why we should reduce our carbon personal footprint. Because by doing it, we can limit the effect our lifestyles have on our planet's climate.